All right, you guys, finally another Mystery Monday. So this one is very colorful. So it looks like we have blue sky. I guess it is blue sky and maybe a meadow or something. And I can see flowers, a little bit of brown. So I put the pieces on the table and then we'll look at it as always. Alright, you guys, so here we are. I was right, my son was wrong. This is no Pokemon, this is Bambi. And he is admiring himself in the mirror, in the pond. Or maybe he's having a drink, who knows. We've got a few flowers here, a lot of green here, but that was easy, it wasn't too bad. And two little birdies, and it looks like it's autumn because the leaves are brown. This puzzle, interestingly, has got 600 pieces. I just counted. And yeah, I will find out the brand. Maybe it's Trefl from the pieces. Trefl. I don't think it's Ravensburger. Could be Trefl. Ravensburger would be more blue on the back. Yeah, I'll find it out. I put it in the description below. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you like what you saw, hit the like button if you want, or consider to subscribe, because then we can see us on the next one. Thanks, bye bye.